Hey dump truckers, Dominique here. So I've been really busy. I've been running the truck, 12, 14 hours a day because it's summer and that's just what you do in the summertime. But we've been running loaded each direction, and I've also been preloaded multiple days this week and last week. And that can be really hard on the truck. So just now when I dumped out, everything was fine this morning when I checked over the truck. I checked the springs, I checked the tires, everything was fine. I just dumped out, and for some reason, and I don't do this every time, I just had a feeling there was something wrong. And I decided that I would walk around the truck and I would check all the springs. And I did. And I'll show you guys what I found. I always start when I do my walk around, always come down the driver's side and go around the other side. Everything looked fine. I was like, everything's fine, everything's fine. And then I get to the last spring on the front here. And I was like, well, that doesn't look right. So I got a broken spring here. Pretty much probably gonna shoot my day. Apparently the only way to, I don't squeeze through here, figure out what spring it is to get over to the back side of it and find a 6 to 8 digit number stamped on the back. Okay, this doesn't look bad. So they said that it should be stamped on the back of the spring somewhere. I don't know. I don't see any numbers on any of the springs. Okay, so let's get out underneath the dang truck. Oh, my butt's caught. Okay. Okay, maybe I need to lose some weight. Okay. Okay, so the quest for parts is kind of hindered now because no one can look it up by VIN number. You have to look it up by part number. And there's no part number. Okay, so now, because there is no part number on it, there's no number on the axle, we have to measure it. So they need width, which is 3 inches, height I didn't grab yet, and then the length. And then we can call around and see who has one.
Jesus. Ooh, that's fucking hot.
Is that the same part number that's on the other side?
No. 356-00.
This is the part number they were telling me to look for on the spring while it's on the truck. That doesn't make a lot of sense.
Yeah, you can't really see it. On the front one you can. You can see that one. It's in the front, but...
Yeah. But didn't you tell them that number and it's not the right one?
Yeah. You said that's not it. Hey, was it you that I talked to just a little bit ago about a leaf spring? Okay. I found another part number on the spring. 356-00. You have it? Just one. Yep. Awesome. I'll be down in a little bit to get it. And you guys sell U-bolts too? Okay. Yeah, I'll bring in one of
And the
these.
air can?
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Beyond Dirt. I don't know if we have an account with you guys or not. I've bought brake shoes and stuff from you before, but I don't know if we have an account with you. Okay. Alrighty. Cool, thank you. Yep, see you.
The brake can?
They'll have that.
Okay.
Their name is literally Braking Collection.
Okay. Okay.
Hey, how's it going? Good.
Look at all these parts.
Yes.
All right, dump truckers. Well, it looks like we're all fixed up and I'll be back on the road tomorrow. If you guys enjoyed that video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.